This is the tutorial for 4.1 Shadow Cat for PhotoPEA. Download 4.1 A and B.jpg from Google Classroom and open them up in PhotoPEA. We're going to start with 4.1, the cat. Select all, edit, copy, go to 4.1b and edit, paste. We should now have our cat. Select the magic wand tool and set the tolerance to 10. Click on the white background behind the cat, edit, cut, select, deselect. Let's double click on layer 1 and rename it cat. Click on the move tool and move the cat down so his feet and his ankles are on the light gray. Select the magic wand and click on the background behind the cat. Select inverse to select just the cat. Create a new layer, new layer, or the new layer icon. So you have a cat selection. We're on layer 1, and on top we're going to go to edit, fill, and fill with black. Click OK. Select, deselect. Let's rename layer 1 to shadow, and click and drag the shadow layer below the cat layer. Select the rectangular marquee tool and click and drag to select 2/3 of the cat above the light blue. Make sure you're on the shadow layer, edit, copy, edit, cut, edit, paste. And now you can see our shadow has been split in half, and we have a top half and a bottom half, and they're each on their own layer. Select the move tool and click and drag this shadow. It's okay if you need to hide the cat. It's okay if you need to hide the cat to do this. You want to drag the cat to the left of the cat, and we want the bottom part that's nice and straight to be in line with this light blue line. Okay, now hide the cat and select the shadow layer. Edit, transform, distort. Click and drag the top left corner, and we want the blacks to touch. Then do the top right corner, and we want the blacks to touch. It's better if they're overlapping too much than not enough. We don't want there to be a blue line. When you've got your distortion in place, press enter, and you can unhide the cat. Select layer 1, and up on top go to layer merge down. So now our shadow is all on one layer. Change the mode for layer 1 to overlay. For this layer 1, go up to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, set a radius of 5 pixels, click OK. Double click on the cat layer and choose bevel and emboss. Style is inner bevel, technique is smooth, depth is 50%, size is 30 pixels, soften is 0 pixels, and our angle is going to be the opposite of the shadow. So the light source is always the opposite of the shadow. If the shadow is going up and to the left, we want our light source to be down and to the right. So for this one, it's -30, and click OK. So we took a very flat looking cat and a very flat looking square, and we've rounded the cat with bevel and emboss, and we have given it a drop shadow that looks like it's going across a floor and up a wall. So we've added a lot of depth to this very flat picture. File, export as a JPEG. Always make your quality 100% and save. Upload this to Google Drive and turn it into 4.1 in Google Classroom.